Hello my dear friends and welcome back to your channel. In this video I will show you how to get the new released Android 13 on your phone. As you can see, here is the list of the phones being eligible for an upgrade to Android 13. Luckily my phone is Pixel 6 and it should be eligible for this upgrade. Also, here is the list of some other phones from other companies being eligible to get the beta. Now let's go back to the settings of the phone to see if there would be any update available to get the Android 13. But as you can see, it shows that no update is available. In order to solve this problem, you have to go to this website from the browser of your phone and enroll in the Android beta program. I put the link in the description. When you go to the given address, you will be on this page. When you scroll down, you will see the picture and model of your phone. Tap on it and then choose the register option in blue color. As soon as tapping on it, a window pops up and you have to scroll down and accept the conditions. After that, you receive a message that your phone is registered. Now again, go to the settings, system, and system updates. Check for update. And here is the update for Android 13 being available for your phone. Download and install it. And here my phone is starting. This is the new look of Android 13 with minor new changes in looking, but many bug fixes. You can also check in the settings if your phone is updated to the Android 13. I hope you liked this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.